Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Tab One, and let me share with you how to clear cache and speed up your device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this list we have to scroll until we will find the apps. Then let's go to all apps. So we will open the full list of the apps which are currently installed on this device. And what I highly recommend to do is to go through all of those apps, especially those which are using frequently, and remove cache. So let me go to the messages, for example. Let's simply tap on the specific app and then tap on storage and cache. So here we've got this cache section, and basically cache are junk files which are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the usage of the app, and they are occupying some memory. Not maybe not a lot of it, but if we will sum up all of those apps, there is a significant amount. So simply tap on clear cache, and your device will immediately remove it. I do not recommend tapping on clear storage unless you wish to make the app a brand new app just installed, for example. So as you can see, your device will immediately remove it, and I highly recommend, as I said, to go through all of those apps and remove cache, thanks to which you will release some memory. And after that, after this whole clearing operation, I highly recommend to soft reset your device or simply turn it off and then turn it on. You can quickly do it just by pressing the power button and volume down button together. So obviously this is the screenshot combination, but hold both of those keys for approximately 8 to 10 seconds, and this combination will allow your device to shut down and then power up automatically. And this operation will simply confirm all of the changes you've made by removing cache. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.